Today, we're diving into the cosmos to uncover some of the most fascinating facts about our very own Milky Way galaxy. You know, that band of light you see across the sky on a clear night? That's our home in the universe. And trust me, it's even more awesome than you probably realize. Stay tuned for some mind-blowing revelations. The Milky Way isn't just any random collection of stars. It's a vast, intricate system that has fascinated astronomers for centuries. When we look up at the night sky, we're seeing just a tiny fraction of this colossal structure. Yep, it's a structured system, and we call it a barred spiral galaxy. This means it has a central bar-shaped structure composed of stars, around which the spiral arms wind outwards. Think of a giant cosmic pinwheel, with these beautiful arms spiraling outwards. These arms are not just for show, they are regions where new stars are born, making them incredibly important for the galaxy's life cycle. Now, at the very center of this pinwheel, there's a bar of stars. This bar is like the backbone of the galaxy, influencing its overall structure and dynamics. Astronomers used to think all spiral galaxies were like ours, but it turns out these bars are a bit more special. Not all spiral galaxies have them, and their presence can tell us a lot about the galaxy's history and future. We're still trying to figure out exactly how these bars form and what role they play in the evolution of galaxies. Some theories suggest they might be temporary features, while others think they could be more permanent. So, how many stars are we talking about here? Well, buckle up, because the Milky Way is home to a lot of stars. Estimates range from 100 billion to as many as 400 billion, but the consensus puts the number at around 200 billion. To put that in perspective, if you had $200 billion, you could give every single person on Earth about $25, and that's just one galaxy. There are estimated to be trillions of galaxies in the observable universe, each with billions or even trillions of stars themselves. The sheer scale of the cosmos is enough to make your head spin faster than a pulsar. Now, let's talk about size. When we think about the vastness of space, it's easy to get lost in the numbers and distances. But let's break it down a bit. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years in diameter. That's 100,000 years of traveling at the speed of light, just to get from one side to the other. If you happen to have a spaceship that could travel at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to cross our galaxy from one end to the other. That's longer than human civilization has existed. And just to be clear, a light-year is the distance light travels in a year. Light's pretty fast, clocking in at about 300,000 kilometers per second. To put that in perspective, light can travel around the Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. So, yeah, the Milky Way is mind-bogglingly vast. Think about it this way. If the Milky Way were the size of the Earth, our solar system would be smaller than a grain of sand. That's how tiny we are in the grand scheme of things. So the next time you're feeling small, just remember, you're part of something truly enormous. Our galaxy is just one of billions in the universe, each with its own unique wonders and mysteries. Embrace the awe and wonder of being a part of this incredible cosmic journey. You might be wondering, where do we fit into all of this? Well, our solar system is located about 2/3 of the way out from the galactic center, in a spiral arm called the Orion Arm. It's not exactly a prime real estate location like being out in the galactic suburbs, but hey, it's home! We're orbiting the galactic center, taking about 230 million years to complete one trip around the Milky Way. That's right. The last time we were in this spot, dinosaurs were still roaming the Earth. Our galaxy is hurtling through space at a speed of about 600 kilometers per second. That's over 1,000,000 miles per hour. Where are we going, you ask? Well, we're being pulled towards a region of space called the Great Attractor, a mysterious gravitational anomaly that's tugging on our galaxy and others in our cosmic neighborhood. We don't know exactly what the Great Attractor is, but it's a fascinating cosmic mystery that keeps astronomers up at night. At the very heart of the Milky Way, lurking in the constellation Sagittarius, lies a beast of unimaginable power, a supermassive black hole. This cosmic giant is known as Sagittarius A star, and it sits like a dark sentinel, hidden from direct view by clouds of gas and dust. Yet, its presence is undeniable. We can see it influencing the orbits of stars and the very fabric of space-time around it. Our black hole is packing the mass of about 4 million suns into a region smaller than our solar system. Imagine compressing all that mass into a space so tiny. The gravitational pull becomes inescapable. This immense gravity well warps space-time itself, creating a region where the usual rules of physics break down. It is relatively quiet right now, but it's had its share of outbursts in the past. These outbursts occur when the black hole consumes large amounts of matter, releasing tremendous energy in the process. Such events can light up the surrounding region, making the invisible visible for a brief moment. Astronomers are constantly monitoring it, eager to learn more about these enigmatic objects and their role in the evolution of galaxies. By studying it, scientists hope to unlock the secrets of black holes, shedding light on the most extreme environments in the universe and understanding how these cosmic giants influence the galaxies they inhabit. The Milky Way isn't alone in the universe. We're part of a small group of galaxies called the Local Group, a cosmic club of about 50 galaxies all bound together by gravity. Our closest major neighbor is the Andromeda galaxy, a beautiful spiral galaxy located about 2.5 million light-years away. We're constantly interacting with Andromeda and other galaxies in the Local Group, exchanging gas, dust, and even stars over billions of years. It's a cosmic dance that shapes the evolution of galaxies and creates stunning celestial displays. Speaking of Andromeda, here's a fun fact. We're on a collision course. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide in a spectacular cosmic smash-up. Don't worry though, it's not as catastrophic as it sounds. Galaxies are mostly empty space, so individual stars are unlikely to collide. But the gravitational forces will distort both galaxies, triggering intense bursts of star formation and creating a new, larger elliptical galaxy. It'll be a sight to behold, assuming anyone is still around to watch it. The Milky Way is a bit of a celebrity in the cosmos, and like any good celebrity, it has an entourage of smaller galaxies orbiting it. These are called satellite galaxies, and the most famous ones are the Magellanic Clouds, 2 dwarf galaxies visible to the naked eye in the southern hemisphere. The Magellanic Clouds are thought to be remnants of a larger galaxy that was torn apart by the Milky Way's gravity. They're constantly interacting with our galaxy, leaving trails of gas and stars in their wake. It's a beautiful example of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. The Milky Way is a hungry galaxy. It's constantly growing by absorbing these smaller galaxies in a process called galactic cannibalism. It's a bit of a cosmic turf war, with the Milky Way using its gravity to pull in smaller galaxies and merging them into its own. This process has been going on for billions of years and has helped shape the Milky Way into the majestic spiral galaxy we see today. So the next time you look up at the Milky Way, remember, you're looking at a galaxy built on a foundation of cosmic snacks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these cosmic facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content about our universe. There's so much more to explore out there, from the mysteries of black holes to the search for life beyond Earth. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop being curious about our solar system, our galaxy, the universe, and our place in it. See you next time.